Business or creator account. You see a lot of creators on TikTok, they are contemplating, a new creator is contemplating on the particular kind of account to create on TikTok. You don't know if you should go for a business account, or you don't know if you should go for a creator account. A creator account simply means is a personal account. So there are several things a creator account is going to do for you that a business account can't do for you. So in this video, I'm going to be stating everything. I'm going to be showing how to also switch to a personal account if you're using a business account. So business account simply means maybe you want to drive sales through your content on TikTok. So you want to make sure that you're using a business account. If you're mainly for sales, you're not there to earn money through your content. A lot of people, like if you want to join the Creator Rewards program, a business account is not supported, it's not eligible to join the Creator Rewards program. Yes, so you want to use a personal account, that's the creator account, before you can join the Creators Rewards program with 10,000 followers. So with a business account, you can be able to monetize your business. You're bringing it to TikTok, so a lot of people can buy. I say a lot of people that are into the TikTok shop, they use the business account because they are not there to monetize their content. So they're just there trying to drive sales to your product, or you're doing affiliate marketing. You're driving sales to your product. Okay, let's say for instance you sell clothes, you sell women's clothes and all of that. You want to make sure that you're posting videos related to all of that. So when people are viewing your profile, TikTok will know the kind of people the kind of audience they'll push your videos to. So they know that you're there for the business. But if you're there as a content creator, you're creating content, you want to monetize your content, you need a personal account, because a personal account is one that is eligible with 10,000 followers, and you have to make a video that is 1 minute and longer. That is the videos that is eligible for content monetization. That's the Creator Rewards program. So these are the difference. A business account, you cannot even use some of the commercial sounds. You have to allow usage on it. So I'm going to attach a tutorial here, like I'm going to put it here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So but with a personal account, you're free to use any of the sounds that popped up there. You can select any sounds, but with a business account, you have to allow the music usage, and some of them you cannot even run ads on them because of the sound. Okay, so if you're somebody that is in TikTok shop, I feel that it's best that you switch to a business account, and it's very easy to switch to a business account. I'll leave it here on how to switch to a business account. So if you're somebody that you're in content creating, you want to do content, you want to monetize, the best account for you to go for is the personal account. So this is the difference. A lot of people are contemplating. I am sure that I stated the difference in this very short video. So if you're a content creator, you're doing sales, you want to market your product, you want to market your business, I feel that you should go for the business account. But if you're somebody that also wants to, you're doing a personal content, you can also do 1 minute video and longer for your business, and you can also earn on that particular video as long as it's eligible and you're able to drive a lot of views on it. You can also monetize that particular video. So you can just use one stone to keep two birds. Use a personal account and wait till when you go viral, or you can promote your videos also to reach your potential customers. So it depends on you now to select the one you want to use. Is it the personal or the business account? You guys make sure that you make the right choice on the particular video, particular TikTok account you want to create or you want to switch to. I'm sure this video will be able to guide you through it. So you guys, please, if this video helped you, please do not forget to give me a big like, give me a big thumbs up on this video, like, comment, share this video to somebody that's actually confused on the kind of account to create, either business or personal account. So you guys, I'll see you on my next upload. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again. Bye. Let me show you how to switch to business account. Click on the three line you see at the top there. Click on settings and privacy. It's going to take you to account. We have privacy, we have accounts. If you want a private account, you can click on the markets to be private account. Then click on accounts. It's going to take you to switch to business account. So if you're on personal account, you want to switch to business account, you can do this. But if you're on business account already, you can just stay there. All you have to do is switch to business account. It's going to load. My network was really bad at this point, so I had to wait for it to load. So we're going to wait for it. So we'll switch to business account. Say welcome to business account, life with Chi. Learn about your audience, reach more people, grow your brand and business via promotion and content channels, access conversion tools, choose a category for your business. So you can just go through and choose the one that goes along with your business. You're going to click done. It's going to bring out your schedule. This is how to switch to your business account. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like,